What's something people don't know about top companies like Toyota? They solve problems with 5 simple questions. Meet the 5 whys technique. Developed by Sakichi Toyoda and made famous by Toyota in the 1950s, it's a no-nonsense way to get to the root of any problem. Here's how it works. Ask why 5 times to dig deeper into an issue. Let's say a machine keeps breaking down. First, why? Why did it stop? Answer, it's overheating. Second, why? Why is it overheating? Maybe there's not enough lubrication. Third, why? Why no lubrication? Maintenance missed it. Fourth, why? Why was it missed? The schedule wasn't followed. Fifth, why? Why wasn't it followed? Because of staff shortages. Each answer leads you closer to the real problem. Simple, right? Now you're not just treating symptoms, you're tackling the root cause. Give the 5 whys a try in your next meeting and watch your problem-solving skills soar. Like this video and subscribe for more tips on mastering your workday.